I'll give you guys 30 seconds to start it. To finish it. Okay. Start. Stop. Now I'll give you a minute to write all the numbers, words. Okay. And we'll see. Finished? Shall I show the picture? Alright. See this? Okay, check how many you got. Enter.
Ma'am.
Got 12. Good. Others? Don't feel shy to tell. Okay. Got 10. Okay. Yasha's got 10. Others? Okay. Fine. There's one more picture. Okay, we'll do that exercise. Keep your pen and paper ready. I'll reset the timer. Okay. I'll start in now. Start. Stop. Okay. Write down how many have we got. Then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, I got 14.
We got 14. Okay, good. Others? Still not. Yeah? All of them you got? Very good. 16 you got. Okay. 3 by less. Very good. Others? Okay. Is there any pattern you've detected when you get less? Okay. Like, do you not get the last ones or particular ones? What you can see. We can work on that. That's what I meant. Last ones. Yeah. the most common one not to get. Okay. As I told, you can either do one way. Okay, this is how I do. So whenever I'm seeing the object, just while looking at it, I'll write it in a short way on the paper without looking at the paper, because if I look at the paper, time will be wasted. So for the bag, I'll write BA fast. Okay. Desk, something. Okay. Either draw it if you feel comfortable and fast enough to draw, quickly, or else write it. Okay. Or else if you can memorize it, even better. Okay. Any problem in this? Anything you guys want to ask? Yeah.
When we were writing them, we have to
Hmm.
mention the color also.
No, not necessary. No color necessary. Just the object name. Usually, when they give you these objects, because the timing itself is a little tight to remember. Color also, if they include, it will be a little more difficult for you. Only object is more than enough. Okay. So today we'll do mensuration. This will be the second class of it, and for a while we won't do it. From next class we'll be doing GK or aptitude. Sorry, architecture. Okay. Okay. See this question. The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 1 is to root 3. If the volumes of two cylinders are same, find the ratio of their respective heights. Okay, do you guys know what the formula is for volume of cylinder? Shall I write it or do you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. V is equal to pi r square inch. Okay. Try this question. Let's see. Three is to one. Okay. Now what?
And 3:1.
3 is to one. Okay. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am, 3:1.
3 is to one. Okay. They're saying the volumes are same. Okay. And H1 is to H2 is equal to 3 is to 1. Okay. Respective heights of the radius. Correct. Okay. So they've also said R1 is to R2 is equal to 1 is to square root of 3. Okay. Now I put it in the formula of V, it will be pi into R1 square into H1 is equal to pi pi into R2 square into H2. Okay, so pi cancels because they are constants. So R1 by R2 the whole square is equal to H2 by H1. R1 by R2 the whole square will be 1 by 3 is equal to H2 by H1. But they have asked for respective heights as you guys did. It will be H1 by H2, which is 3 by 1, or H2 is equal to 3 to 1. Yeah. No doubt on this? The ones who are not done? Try this one. If the radius of the base of a cone is doubled, keeping the height same, what is the ratio of the volume of the larger cone to the smaller cone? Right. Four is to four. Correct.
1:4.
4 is to 1. Larger cone to smaller cone. Yeah. Okay. So V1 is to V2. Okay. Where V1 is a larger cone and its radius is double. So in V2, if the radius is R, in V1 it is 2R. Okay. So the formula will be the same as this one. Okay. This one will be is to 1 by 3 pi h cancels because they mentioned ki h remains the same. So what remains? 4 r square is to r square. R square cancels. So our answer is 4 is to 1. Okay, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
This is a little different, try it. 1536 centimeter cube. Okay, sure, I got it. Yeah, I think it's correct. Okay, here, whenever the ratio is given, okay, 4 is to 3 is to 2, they're not the actual numbers. They are just numbers when you divide with each other. So, numbers that remain. So 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay, you can take them as 4x, 3x, 2x. Make round score. Very good. Okay. I'm. Do you guys know why we are doing this? If you guys don't, just ask me. I'll explain also. If you have any doubt, ask. Okay. Don't feel shy. Okay. Uh, 4 is to 3 is to 2. Okay. These are numbers formed when a common number. Okay, 4x, 3x, 2x is there. They are the actual numbers. They're the actual length, breadth, and height of the cuboid. Okay. Now, when you divide it among themselves, x, and x cancels. That's where 4 is to 3 is to 2 comes. Okay. Otherwise, they are actually these numbers. These are just ratios. So 4x is the length, breadth is 3x, and height is 2x. Okay. Now, the total surface area is 832 centimeter square. Find its volume. Okay. To find volume, we need the actual numbers L, B, and H. Okay. What is the information given? TSA. What is the formula for TSA for a cuboid? Okay. Top and bottom surface LB, L into B, and L into B. Side surfaces L into H, L into H, and front and back surfaces B into H and B into H. Three different surfaces is equal to 832. Okay. LB plus BH plus LH is equal to, I'll cancel 2 and 832. Okay. 416 I'll get. Now what is L? 4x. 4x into B, right? 3x plus 4x into 2x plus 3x into 2x. Am I right? Yeah, this is equal to 416. This is 12x square plus 8x square plus 6x square. Is equal to 460. If you add all of them, what will you get? Well, 26.
X square equal to 16.
Yes. Equal to 416. X square is equal to 16. Now, x can be either plus or minus 4, but this is a room. This length cannot be negative. So x is equal to 4 meters. Now, the actual length is 4x, which is 4 into 4, 16 meters. Breadth, which is 3 into x, which you can see here, 3 into x, is 12 meters. And height, which is 2x, 2 into 4, 8 meters. Volume is equal to LBH 16 into 8 into 1536 meter cube. Okay. Any doubt in this? Okay. Try this.
Side or edges? Edges or sides?
I'm sorry, I'm not getting. Edges, sides, same thing. Yeah. Six, 8, and 10. Okay. Okay. 6 and 10, 8 and 10. Yes. 6, 8, and yes. Okay. See, they have said that three cubes of a metal whose edges are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5 are melted and converted into a single cube whose diagonal is 12 root 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, whenever these type of questions are there, melted questions, okay, volume always remains the same. Okay, so the volume of all these three cubes combined is equal to the volume of this cube whose diagonal is 12 root 3. Okay. Now, the sides or the edges of the cubes is equal to 3x, 4x, 5x. Okay. Now, what about this cube? The diagonal they have said. Okay. For the diagonal of a cuboid, what did we get? The formula was under root L square plus B square plus H square for a cuboid. Remember yesterday's this one. That's
Yes.
the diagonal of a cube would be
root 3.
Root
square
3.
root of root 3 into a meaning square root of 3 into a cube. So it would be okay. So it is root 3 a, which is equal to 12 into root 3. Okay, root 3 cancels. A is equal to what? Well, they've not given centimeter or meter. Centimeter. So the cube of the bigger size, the side of the bigger cube is 12 centimeter. Now the volumes will be equal, as I told. Okay, or the volume of these cubes combined will be equal to the volume of the bigger cube. So 3x the whole cube. Formula for cube volume of the cube is what? A cube, correct? 4x plus 5x. This is equal to 12 cube. Okay. This one is 27 x cube
64.
plus 64 x cube plus 125 x cube. This is equal to what? 12 cube is
1728. 1728.
1728. Yes, 1728. Okay, when you add them 64, 91,
216 x cube.
216, correct, 216 x cube into 1728. Now x is equal to how much? X cube will get 8 ideally.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So x is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So the sides are 2 into 3, 6 centimeter. 4 into 2, 8 centimeter. Then 10 centimeter. Okay. That is from 3x, 4x, and 5x, where x is 2 centimeter. Okay. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Try this question. It's very interesting actually. This question. Try. 6 meters. No, I don't think so. Six meters. Mm-hmm. Anybody else? Okay. Okay. Uh, what is the base diameter they have given?
Two by three into H.
2 by 3 into h. Correct. Okay, that is the whole this one whole height. Okay, not just the cylinder's height. So if they're saying ki the base diameter of the dome is equal to 2/3 of the total height of the building, and they've given total height of the building as h. Okay, so what will be the height of the this one cylinder? Small h, but how will you write it? The R also is unknown, H also is unknown. Okay, so this one, what I'll take it as, I've taken total height is equal to H. Okay, the ones who got the answer, can you tell me how you got it?
First, I find relationship between radius and height, and then put the formula of volume.
Okay, then you solve and last, then you put the value of R is equal to H. Okay. R and H relation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one, total height, I'll take it as capital H. Okay, height of the cylinder, which is small h, is equal to H minus R. Okay, height of the total building minus radius. Okay, then radius is R. The condition they've given is B is equal to 2 by 3 H. Okay, so 2R is equal to 2 by 3 H. So R is equal to 1 by 3 H. Okay, the formula, volume is equal to the volume of the hemisphere and volume of the cylinder. Okay. Volume of the hemisphere is what? 2 by 3 pi r cube plus cylinder's volume is pi r square h. So pi into r square into h, I've written it as capital H minus r. Okay, here also I'll write 1 by 3. Capital H is what? R plus H, small r plus H. This will be this. Okay. 1408. Okay, the 67 1 by 21 can be written as 1408, 67 into 21 plus 1 by 21. Okay, is equal to pi into 2 by 3. I have taken outside 2 by 3 r cube plus pi into h into r square. Okay, pi, if I write the value of it on instead of writing the word pi, okay, this will be equal to 22 by 7 into I'll take the r also outside. 2 by 3 remains inside into r plus h. Okay. Now when you cancel 22 and 1402, it is cancelable. Okay, what you'll get? 64 was it? Yeah. 22 64s are 1408 and 7 3s are 21. Okay, this is equal to r square, and r value is what? R is equal to 1 by 3 r plus 1 by 3 h. Okay, so if I take this one this side, it will be 2 by 3 r equal to 1 by 3 h. So 2r is equal to h. Am I right? Yeah, r is equal to h by 2. Okay, just simplifying this expression. Okay, you will get r is equal to small h by 2. Now substituting it in here, instead of r, write h by 2 because we have to find h. Okay, this will be h by 2 the whole square. Instead of r square, I have written h by 2 the whole square. Bracket by 3 into r is there, so h by 2 plus h. Okay, this will be equal to h square by 4 bracket 2 and 2 cancels, h by 3 plus h. Four h by 3. Right? 4 by 3. Is there a mistake anywhere you can see? Or if there is there as well outside? The total height is yes 6. Correct. R square 2 by 3. H cube plus by 3. The 4 in the denominator, 4 in the numerator will cancel, correct? So h is equal to 4 centimeter, was it? 4 centimeter. This is h. And we had r is equal to h by 2. So r is equal to 2 centimeter. The total height is 4 plus 3 centimeter. Okay. I'll just briefly summarize what we did. Okay. Total height is capital H. Okay. The height of the cylinder is small h. Okay. The h, this small h, can be written as total height minus the radius of the hemisphere. Correct. So h, capital H, is written as r plus small h. Okay. Now, what is the condition they have given? Diameter of the base, meaning this, is equal to 2 by 3 times the total height of the building. Correct. So r, if I write d as 2r, okay, that I can write it as 2r is equal to 2 by 3h. So r is equal to 1 by 3 into capital H. But we want the connection between small h, small r. Okay, so the capital H, I'll write it as r plus small h. Okay. When you solve it, 1 by 3 r plus 1 by 3 h. Okay. Take this r here because this r and r. Okay. R minus 1 by 3 will give you 2 by 3 r is equal to 1 by 3 into h. We'll get 2r is equal to h or r is equal to h by 2. Okay. Now what I've done is I put the formula for volume. Okay. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, is equal to what they have given, 67 into 1 by 21. Okay. When you remove this mixed fraction into improper fraction, you get 1408 by 21. Okay. Pi I have taken outside because it's common here, and r square also I have taken outside. Okay, 22 by 7 into r square bracket 2 by 3 r plus h. Okay. Now I have put r value as h by 2. Okay, you can put h value as 2r and get the same answer. When you substitute r is equal to h by 2, you will get h value as 4 centimeter. Okay, and since we know r is equal to h by 2, r is equal to 2 centimeter. Total height of the building is r plus h, small r plus small h. So it is 6 centimeter. Okay, any doubt?
No.
Okay, a right circular cone is placed over a cylinder of the same radius. Okay, cylinder is there, uske upar right circular cone is there. Now the combined structure is painted on all sides. Okay. Then they are separated. Now the ratio of area painted on cylinder to cone is 3:1. Okay. What is the height of the cylinder if the height of the cone is 4 meter is to 4 meter and radius is 3 meters? Try this. 4 meter. Okay. Meters. Okay. Alpha is increasing by 2 or something. How come everybody is getting 4, 6, 8? Okay. Six. Okay. So see here, the combined structure of a right circular cone on top of the cylinder. Okay, it is painted. Then they have said that the area of the area painted for cylinder to cone ratio is 3:1. Okay. What is the height of cylinder? If the height of cone is 4 meter and 3 meter, radius is 3 meter. Okay, so when cylinder cone is placed on top of the cylinder, okay, the area painted just for the cylinder would be the LSA of it and the bottom of it, correct? Because the top part is combined with the cone, so it cannot be painted. So, cylinder painted area is 2 pi r h LSA plus pi r square, area of the bottom circle. Okay. Cone painted area would be just the LSA, correct? No base, so it will be pi rl. Okay, take height of the cylinder as h1. Okay, this one I'll take as h1. Radius of cylinder and cone will be 3 meters because they are placed on top of the other. Okay, the same radius. So radius of the cylinder and cone is 3 meters. Height of the cone is 4 meters. Okay. Pi into this one, this area, I'll take pi out and r out. Okay, this pi r is common here. So if I take pi into r out, I'll get 2 into h1. Okay. 2 into h1 plus r will remain. Pi r if you take common, r will remain. Upon pi into r. Okay, what is L? Slant height. Slant height formula is under root r square plus h square. Okay, so instead of writing L, I am writing r square under root r square plus h square directly. Okay, now pi r and pi r you can cancel. Okay, what will remain? 2h1 plus r, this one, upon under root r square plus h square. Okay. This is the cone area, this is the cylinder area. We know the radius of both. Okay, r is 3. Okay, here also r is 3. H is what? 4 meters. Okay, so I'll write 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16. Okay, 9 plus 16 is 25. Under root 25 will give you 5. It will be 2h1 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 1. Okay, you cross multiplied, get 2h1 plus 3 is equal to 15. So h1 is equal to 6 meters. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Okay. See, a hemispherical bowl of diameter 6 centimeter is full of ice cream. Okay. Each student in a class is served exactly 4 scoops of ice cream. If the hemispherical scoop is having a radius of 2 centimeter, then the ice cream is served to how many students? Times. It's very interesting. Sixteen students. Correct. Okay, see here. They're saying, okay, there's a bowl full of ice cream whose diameter is, the bowl's diameter is 16 centimeter. Okay, from that bowl, students are being served ice cream. Okay? Each student is getting 4 scoops of ice cream. Okay, and if the hemispherical scoop is having a radius of 2 centimeter, so each scoop has 2 centimeter, and 4 such scoops are being served to each student. Okay, so what they're asking, how many students will get the ice cream? So volume of each scoop, start with small. Okay, would be, what is the volume of this one? Hemisphere 2 by 3 into 5 r cube. Correct. So each volume of each scoop of ice cream is 2 by 3 into pi into 2 cube. Correct? Now you will get, keep the pi as it is. Okay. So 16 by 3 pi cubic centimeter each scoop. So each student gets 4 such scoops. Okay. So it will be volume of ice cream consumed by each student will be 4 into this, right? 4 into 16 is how much? 64 pi by 3 cubic centimeter. Okay. Now find the volume of the hemispherical bowl. Will be equal to the diameter of the bowl is 16 centimeter, the bigger one. The radius will be 8. Okay. So this will be how much? 2 by 3, 2, 8, 8 into 8, 512, 1024. 1024 pi by 3 1024 pi by 3 cubic centimeter. Now you just have to divide them, both of them. Okay, this and this. So number of students is equal to 1024 pi by 3 by 64 pi by 3. Okay, we'll get 16. Okay, so 16 students are served. When you are asked such type of question in exam, okay, obviously do not go through this much of detail. I'm just telling you as each procedure. That's why I'm going in detail. Otherwise, your answer should be like this. 2 by 3 pi into 8 cube is equal to n number of students. Okay, number of students eat the ice cream. Okay, for each scoop it is, the volume is this much, and 4 such scoops are combined. So n into number of students into 4 into volume of each scoop is equal to n into 4 into volume of each scoop is equal to volume of the whole ice cream. Okay? Like this you have to solve in exam. Any doubt? A hollow cylindrical tube is made of plastic. Plastic is 4 centimeter thick. Okay? The external diameter is 18 centimeter and length of the tube is 59 centimeter. Find the volume of the plastic. Okay? Remember I told you yesterday about how the width of the metal, sometimes they ask, this is the type. Try this. 2593. Okay. 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 The formula for volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square h. Correct. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Now, you may think inside if they are taking thickness is considered at that time, you have to take r minus r the whole square. No, it will be r square minus r square, meaning external diameter minus internal diameter. Okay, for example, this for example only. Okay. The thickness of the tube is what, 4 centimeter. External diameter is 18 centimeters. So external radius is 9 centimeter. Okay. So what will the internal radius be? 9 minus 4 centimeter. It is 5 centimeter. Okay. So capital R is 9 centimeter. Small r is 5 centimeter. So the volume of it will be 22/7, meaning pi into h into r square minus r square. Okay. So it's 9 square minus 5 square. This is 81 minus 25. Okay, we'll get. Yeah, understood? We'll do another class after some time where the thickness of the metal or whatever is used is considered. Okay. Any doubt in this? If you guys have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. So I think we can end the class today. Okay, we'll do these all later. These all are equal. This one, no problem. Okay. So we have finished the class. Gaurav sir? I think he's busy. Okay, you guys can